Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making super flavorful, refreshing and spicy mango pudina chutney. This chutney is made with raw mango, mint leaves, peanuts and some spices. Let's get started. First, wash and chop the raw mango into small pieces. You can leave the skin. You don't have to peel off the skin. You can do this chutney with mango skin. Chop 2 to 3 green chilies according to your taste. Use 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Garlic gives a good flavor and taste. I used fresh pudina from my garden, washed and ready to use. It's around 1 cup of pudina leaves. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Methi seeds, mustard seed, coriander seed, Channa dal, Urad dal, peanuts, roast everything until it turns brown, and in the end add red chilies. Transfer it into a blender jar. Now in the same pan add 1 spoon of oil, jeera, green chilies, garlic cloves and cut mangoes. Once mangoes turn translucent, then add pudina. Saute it until mint leaves become soft. Let it cool and then transfer it to a blender jar. Now add some salt and a bit of tamarind. Now grind everything into a smooth, slightly coarse chutney. Transfer it to a bowl. Now let's prepare tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds to it. Let them splutter. Add red chilies, urad dal, some curry leaves. Roast it until it's golden brown. Pour the hot tempering over the chutney. Our delicious mango pudina chutney is now ready. You can eat it with dosa, idli, chapati or even sandwich. Today I am serving it with hot rice and crispy papad. This chutney tastes spicy, tangy, refreshing and so flavorful from mint and raw mango combination. If you love homemade traditional recipe, definitely give it a try. You can drizzle some hot ghee on top and enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.